Hoy te queremos mostrar The Jungle Eco Reserve, una reserva que se encuentra en el pueblito de Limón en Colón. Cuenta con cocina, cuartos, baños, gazebos para acampar, una vista espectacular del lago Gatún, y en este lugar puedes hacer diferentes actividades como una barbacoa, andar en canoa, hacer senderismo, entre otras. Espero lo puedas visitar.
Welcome to the blog,
everyone. So my frogs are growing up. A lot of them are still tadpoles, but many of them are now just clinging to the wall. You wouldn't even know they were frogs unless you took a real close look. Tiny little frogs. You should see this place at night. Our windows are in. I'm kind of like 1 week behind on everything, but we've had massive amount of holidays in November. Check it out. Tinted with the reflection factor. So everybody can always see their reflection, but they can't just look in, unless of course your screen's open. Look at the size of that beautiful screen. Boom, come around the corner. More tinted for privacy. Yeah, and now the kitchen's welding part's done. Just gonna move everything in, boom, boom, boom. The roof's next. Extend it. Give me a week. ¿Cómo se llama?
Azulejo.
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 Azulejo. Azulejo bird. Lovely. They have little red ones which are identical, except they're all red. And then there's these guys. Pollos. So I'm at my buddy Alan's place, Costa del Este. And he is donating me these sweet tables. Oh, this table. He just got the sweet one. And those chairs. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. This used to be a sports bar. They went under playing the music. But I bet you it's gonna start opening up around here, bro. Hard rock. It's looking good. New weather brings in different animals. They've been here all along. They've just been waiting for their moment. Like this baby pineapple. Brilliant colors. It's not so much that we're defending nature. We are nature defending itself. Most of you have heard that COP26 was dismal, but there were a few good things that came out of it. No more subsidizing gluttonous fossil fuels is huge, tens of billions across the planet. Very easy framework for all governments to understand. Panama now has a 2050 neutrality carbon target, as well as all maritime traffic. More encryption on methane gas and releases. The legal language to measure environmental impact has been now approved by all nations. Don't give up hope. I know the media is telling you nothing but bad, and it wasn't good enough, but it wasn't all bad. The algorithms are taking over. We are nature, defending nature. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog.